What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to continue disassembling the Tahoe, so let me just go ahead and flip the camera. Alright, so this is pretty much where we stayed off on the last video. I took out the intake manifold, the valve covers with the coils, and all the intake assembly. Today what I went ahead and did was just take off the water hoses, and I threw out the antifreeze. Down on the floor I had put some plastic to avoid staining the concrete, and I have a container to hold all the fluids. So it's just a metal square, and this is a construction size trash bag. So that's what I'm using. Now that the water pump is off, I'm going to go ahead and remove all the spark plugs and loosen up the manifolds. Extension. No extension. For the heads, I'm going to start by removing the rocker assembly, taking out the push rods, and then I'll remove the head bolts. So now we can remove the heads. So I'm going to start with this side, since this side is the one with the problem. So it's just these few bolts right here. There's some in here also, and these little tents. Alright, so here's a quick view. There's the pistons. You could tell this one was the one that was not functioning correctly. Over here on the lifter trays, we're going to take these off. So this is number 6, so one of these should be bad. There's something that looks wrong on that one, but can't be sure until I remove. Alright, so let me try to explain something that I was trying to explain to my brother. I'm not good at explaining, but so this is the way I take it out. This is the passenger side head. Alright, so this is the passenger side head. The exhaust is on this side. So these are the lifters. Once you remove the head, this is exactly how they come out. So this is cylinder number 2, 4, 6, 8. So the way the displacement on demand works is only cylinders number 1, 2, 4, and 7. I'm pointing at just the figurative head that's over here. So it's only cylinder number 1, 2, 4, and 7 that has the collapsible lifters, the displacement on demand. So right here, I'm going to stand this one up. Take this lifter off. This is a regular hydraulic roller lifter. So this is number 2. So 4 and 6 have the displacement on demand styled lifters. So you see this extra spring. So this is, I'll explain a little bit more over there on the engine with the valley cover and the oil solenoids underneath, but just to make it a little bit more clear on what's wrong, this is cylinder number 6. and I'm going to take these two hydraulic lifters out. Displacement on demand. So this one right here is normal, nothing is wrong with it. You see the difference on this one, the spring, it's already collapsed, and it doesn't want to retract. So right there, they're the same size. It's just that this one, the same thing as this one over here. These are working fine, but this one stayed stuck on the inside. Because of the metal that wears out, this one just compressed and stayed stuck on the inside. Now, I'm pretty sure if you grab a hammer or something, you could, retract it back to its original size. But it's already worn out and it's still gonna give you problems. So we do have a kit over there. I did do the unboxing from Texas Speed and Performance. We're gonna delete this displacement on demand styled lifters. We're just gonna put some LS6 Delphi standard hydraulic roller lifters. Same push rods. I am gonna install some LS6 springs, and while I'm at it, I'm also gonna remove the valves right here on the bottom. I'm gonna remove these valves, use some grinding compound to reseat them, and that's it. I'm gonna take these over to the shop and clean everything up. That's gonna be for another video. Today I'm just gonna finish off removing this side of the head. I'm gonna remove the timing cover. This top cover right here, the valley cover, I am going to replace it as well. I'm not going to take it off right now. Over here are the heads. I put the rockers back in their own head. The lifters and trays are going to go thrown in the trash. These head bolts also are going to be thrown in the trash. The only thing we're keeping are the push rods. It don't matter if they get mixed up, they're all the same size anyways. Over here on the Texas Speed and Performance kit, we have some new head bolts, new lifters, lifter trays, everything we need. Yeah, that's gonna be it. We're gonna go ahead and continue removing the harmonic balancer, remove the timing cover. Alright, so it took me a second to figure it out, but I put the puller with the legs hooked up from the inside. for the timing chain cover, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts, plus there's 2 more to the bottom side. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. I need to replace the timing gear. It's over here. So this is a 3 bolt because I'm putting an aftermarket cam, and this is a single bolt. Another part is this one. This is like a guide that goes in between the timing chain right here in the middle. So if I'm gonna have to put this one on, I'm not sure if I need to take off the oil pump. There's also these tensioners right here in the sides. Do these stay or do these go? So I'm gonna take some pictures and send them over to Glenn's Auto Performance, see if he could help me out with this. But for now, that's gonna be it, guys. I still have the parts over here. The heads, push rods, these are gonna go into the trash. This, I need to clean up this timing cover. I'm reusing it. I do have a new gasket for this one. Same harmonic balancer, so I'm gonna take this over to the shop and clean these out with a parts washer. And that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Peace out.